Welcome to Project Management Fundamentals. In this video, we will go over the fundamentals of project management. We'll cover key concepts like project lifecycle, managing risks, balancing scope, time, and cost, and essential tools and methodologies. We have a lot to cover in under 10 minutes. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a project? A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Think of it as a mission with a specific goal, a beginning, and an end. For example, developing a mobile app is a project. It has a clear goal, a timeline, and a unique deliverable. On the other hand, managing daily IT support for a company is not a project. That's an ongoing operation. Key attributes of a project include a specific goal, for example, building a website, organizing a fundraiser, or launching a new product. A start and end date. Unlike operational work, projects are not ongoing. A unique outcome. Projects aim to create something new, not repetitive tasks. Understanding the nature of a project helps you set the right expectations for time, effort, and deliverables. A project manager ensures that a project runs smoothly from start to finish. Think of them as the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating different parts to create harmony. Their key responsibilities include defining the objectives, clarifying what the project is meant to achieve. Planning, setting a roadmap for tasks, resources, and timelines. Organizing resources, ensuring the right people, tools, and materials are available. Monitoring progress, tracking milestones, and addressing issues to stay on track. Communicating, keeping stakeholders informed and engaged throughout the process. Tools like Gantt charts, task boards, and collaboration platforms help project managers execute these responsibilities effectively. Two common approaches to project management are Waterfall and Agile. Waterfall leverages a linear methodology ideal for projects with clear, fixed requirements. Each phase is completed before moving to the next. Agile leverages a flexible, iterative approach where work is broken into smaller increments or sprints, allowing teams to adapt to changing priorities. Frameworks like Scrum and Kanban are popular within Agile. A hybrid approach combines elements of both methodologies, offering structure where needed and flexibility where possible. Next, let's talk about project constraints. Every project is shaped by three core constraints. Scope, what's included in the project. Time, how long it takes to complete. Cost, the budget for resources, materials, and labor. For example, imagine planning a wedding. If you decide to add a live band to the scope, it might extend the timeline and increase costs. These constraints are interconnected, so managing them requires careful trade-offs. A project manager's job is to balance these constraints effectively, ensuring the project delivers value without exceeding its limitations. Next is the project lifecycle. Projects are broken down into 5 key phases to ensure systematic execution. 1. Initiation. Establish the project's purpose and feasibility. The project charter is the main deliverable here, outlining objectives, stakeholders, and scope. 2. Planning. Develop detailed plans for scope, schedule, risks, and budget. Tools like the work breakdown structure help divide the project into manageable tasks, while Gantt charts visualize timelines. 3. Execution. Assign tasks, manage resources, and ensure deliverables are produced. 4. Monitoring and controlling, track performance, manage risks, and adjust plans as needed. 5. Closure. Finalize the deliverables, get stakeholder approval, and document lessons learned. Techniques like the critical path method and earned value management help ensure the project stays on track during the planning and monitoring phases. Next, knowing how to manage scope is essential. Scope management defines what's included and excluded from the project. Without clear boundaries, you risk scope creep, where additional tasks sneak into the project without proper approval. To manage scope, define deliverables clearly in a scope statement. Use a change control process to assess and approve changes. Communicate regularly with stakeholders to align expectations. Tools like a requirements traceability matrix ensure that all tasks align with the original project goals, avoiding unnecessary work. Next is stakeholder management. Stakeholders include anyone impacted by or invested in the project, such as clients, team members, or executives. Effective stakeholder management involves identifying stakeholders and understanding their priorities, engaging them regularly to keep expectations clear and aligned, resolving concerns proactively to maintain trust and satisfaction. A stakeholder matrix is a valuable tool to map influence and interest levels, helping prioritize communication efforts. Next is risk management. Projects rarely go as planned, so identifying and addressing risks early is critical. Risk management involves identifying risks, anticipate what could go wrong. Prioritizing risks, assess their likelihood and potential impact. Developing mitigation plans, outline how to avoid or reduce risks. A risk register is essential for tracking risks and their mitigation strategies. Next is communication skills. Communication is the glue that holds projects together. Successful project managers must excel at the following communication skills. Creating a communication plan, specify who needs updates, what information they need, and how often. Facilitating meetings, ensure meetings are purposeful and productive. Using collaboration tools. Platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams streamline team interaction and information sharing. Mastering communication prevents misunderstandings and keeps everyone working toward the same goals. Next is scheduling and time management. Effective time management ensures that projects meet deadlines without compromising quality. Techniques include breaking tasks into smaller parts with a work breakdown structure, estimating durations accurately using historical data or tools such as three-point estimating, monitoring schedules with Gantt charts to track progress visually. By proactively managing time, you ensure tasks are completed efficiently and without unnecessary delays. Next is budgeting. Managing a project's finances is critical to its success. Key elements include estimating costs using techniques like parametric estimating or bottom-up estimating, tracking expenses against the budget baseline to identify deviations early, managing changes through a formal approval process to maintain financial control. Tools like cost management software or spreadsheets help monitor and adjust budgets as needed. Team management is next. Building and leading a high-performing team is central to project management. Key aspects include assigning roles and responsibilities clearly to avoid confusion. Tools like a RACI matrix help with this. Motivating the team. Recognize achievements to keep morale high. Addressing conflicts early to maintain harmony and productivity. Leadership isn't just about assigning tasks, it's about inspiring the team to give their best. Next is problem solving. Projects come with unexpected challenges, making adaptability essential. Project managers need to identify problems early using techniques like root cause analysis. Adapt plans to address issues while minimizing impact on scope, time, or cost. Problem solving is an iterative process, and being flexible ensures you can navigate challenges effectively. Next is metrics and reporting. Tracking progress is essential to ensure projects stay on course. Metrics include key performance indicators, KPIs. Metrics like schedule variance or cost variance help assess performance. Dashboards provide real-time visibility into project status for stakeholders. Status reports summarize progress and highlight risks or issues. Clear reporting builds transparency and keeps everyone aligned with project goals. Finally, if you're serious about a career in project management, consider certifications like Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM certification for beginners. Project Management Professional, PMP certification for experienced professionals. Agile certifications like PMI Agile Certified Practitioner or Certified Scrum Master for those working in iterative environments. These project management certifications will validate your knowledge and boost your career prospects. To recap, project management involves balancing scope, time, and cost while leading a team to achieve specific goals. Tools like Gantt charts, risk registers, and communication plans help streamline your work, while methodologies like Waterfall or Agile guide your approach. Effective communication, adaptability, and problem solving are key skills for success. Thank you for joining me to explore project management fundamentals. Whether you're just starting or refining your skills, this guide sets the foundation for project success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. And don't forget to subscribe for more project management insights and tips. I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge in managing projects? Or which topic would you like us to cover next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.